Okay, right now, so as I promised you all, okay, we have one small part of the first lecture that we have not completed yet due to the disturbance in the class. It's not knowledge, it's just a bit of practice question. We have done the knowledge. So we have cost behavior, how costs react to the changes in the level of activity or sales volume. Okay. Then we say we have variable costs, we have fixed costs, and for those who do not fall into these two categories, we call them semi-variable costs. Semi-variable costs will not have a fixed behavior, therefore it's very difficult to predict and control semi-variable costs. That's why we say when we have semi-variable costs, we will split them into two categories. We will split them into fixed costs and variable costs by using high-low method, we have done, by using regression, we have done. So when we use regression, then we will work out a regression line. The regression line, y equals a plus bx, where a is the total fixed cost, b is the variable cost per unit. And we have learned how to work out this a and b by using this formula here. Okay, using this formula here. Now, and to check whether our regression line is reliable, we work out another measurement called correlation coefficient, this R here. So we have go through an example. Okay. So remember, X is the independent variable, the sales unit. Y is the dependent variable, the total cost. X is the units, Y is the total cost. Okay, then we can work out the equation. Now, I also mentioned we can use X to predict Y. We cannot use Y to predict X because X is the independent variable. X do not depend on Y. Okay, now so the correlation, to check the reliability of regression line. Okay, the value of correlation ranges from -1 to +1. Okay, and the meaning of that I already explained. Right now, okay, so now the last part here, this question here, which we intend to do towards the end of the first lecture, but we don't have the time because of the disturbance. So okay, so I will just finish off this for you. South has reported the following costs for the past 4 months: activity units and the total cost. So units is X, total cost is Y. A, use regression analysis, calculate the total cost equation. So find the regression equation. Then calculate the total cost of the following activity level for 200 units, for 500 units, and comment on the usefulness of your equation to estimate. Okay. Alright, so okay, number one, A first, we get the regression line first. Okay. Okay. The sales unit X. The sales unit is X. The total cost Y. So we put down there 300, 400, 150 and 260. Total cost Y 3,800, 4,000, 3,000, and 3,005. Okay, then we find XY and X power of 2. Okay, So xy is x multiplied by y. So 300 times by 3,800. Okay. 400 times by 4,000. 1.6 million. 150 times by 3,000. 450. 450. 400 times by 4,000 is 1.6 million. 260 times by 3,005. 910,000. Okay. Then x power of 2. So 300 power of 2. 90,000. 400 power of 2. 150 power of 2. 260 power of 2. Okay. Now we just add up each column now. The total of x. Is the total of y. Okay, the total of xy. $4.1 million, and the total of x power of 2. Okay. Okay, then we put into the equation. Okay. Right, we put into the equation. I do it on the next page. So B, this is the formula. Formula will be given to you, yeah? Okay, n is the number of observations. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 pairs of observation. Okay. We have 4 pairs of observation. Summation of xy, 4.1 million. Okay. Summation of x, 1110. Summation of y, 14,300. Okay, divide. Okay. N is 4. Summation of x power of 2, 340,100. Okay, the total of x 1110 to the power of 2, that will give me B. Okay, so about 4.11. Okay, 4.11. Okay, then A. Summation of y over n minus b summation of x over n. Okay. Okay, the total of y 14,300 divide by n4 minus b is 4.11. Yeah. Okay, the total of x, this will be x, the total of x. Total of x divide 4. Okay. So A is 2434. Okay, therefore my regression line now, y equals to A plus B x. Okay, so that's the regression line. We can use this to predict cost now. Okay, now that's first part. Now part B. Now we want to estimate the cost. Okay, for total cost, calculate the total cost for 200 units and 500 units. Okay, so okay, if 500 units just replace the x with 500. Okay, and the next part, the last part, comment on the usefulness of the equation. Yeah, okay, to check on the usefulness of the equation, we need to work out the correlation. Okay, the correlation R, yeah. Okay, to work out the correlation, this is the formula which will be provided to you. Okay, so n is 4. Yep, summation of xy 4.1 million. $1110 14,300. Okay, divide the square root. Summation of x power of 2, 3, 4, or 100 minus the total of x power of 2, yeah, and okay, I will need another set of value now, the summation of y power of 2. Okay, so I will need summation of y power of 2. So we take one more value. So y 3800 power of 2 4000 power of 2 3000 power of 2 and 910,000 power of 2. Sorry, 3005 power of 2. Okay. Okay. 51690. Okay, 51690 minus the total of y is 14,300. Okay. Okay. Okay, I just work out step by step for you, yeah. One, 2, 8, 300. Decide first, then decide. Okay. I get 0.98, yeah. Okay, this is very close to 1, so therefore the regression line is almost a straight line, yeah, so it's very reliable. Okay, this is very close to 1, yeah. Okay. Okay, that's it. So that will actually end what we plan to cover. Yep. Okay, bye bye for here. I see you next class.